Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in the previous session, I have shown you how to download and install the VMware Workstation. And in this session, I would like to show you how to install the Kali Linux in virtual machine, right? So just open the VMware Workstation. So here we need to install the Kali Linux, right? So in the next session, I will show you how to install the operating system, Windows operating system. But today I will show you how to download and install the Kali Linux. So go to the browser, open kali.org, which is a official website for Kali Linux. So you can see the download option. So click on the download. See, you'll get a different images. So go with the virtual machines, and here you will be finding the 64-bit and 32-bit. So VMware and VirtualBox. So our software is a VMware. So get this one. So this is a download. So get download. So here you can observe the download has been started, and now I will just cancel this one because already I have downloaded this in our system. So you will be having this file, the RAR file, Kali Linux 2022 RAR file, right? So after successful download, so you just unzip this one. Okay, so just unzip this one. See, you will be getting this one. So just unzip this particular file. So it may take some time. So I'll once again I'll cancel this one because already I have unzipped and I have stored in the softwares folder. So here you can find this Kali Linux VMware so and so, right? So this is the files we are having in that particular folder. Now after successful installation and after extracting the data from the RAR file, so go to the workstation, and here you simply open a virtual machine. So just find out the path where there is a Kali Linux. So in my system, in the local disk, so software Kali Linux, this one, and VMX. So select and open. So it will start playing. So here we got this one. You can observe here Kali Linux VMware. Play the virtual machine. Play the virtual machine. So automatically it will start loading the Kali Linux. See, you can observe here. See. So click on this one, Kali GNU or Linux. So it will start booting. Okay, it will load the Linux, and it will ask for the username and password. So by default the username will be Kali, and password will be Kali. So you can log in to your Kali Linux with the username and password as Kali, Kali. So this may take a few minutes. You can observe the Kali Linux is being loaded. So it will prompt for the login and password. See, here it's a login. Kali is a username, and password is also Kali. And just click on login. So automatically the Kali Linux will be available in your virtual machine, right? See, so everything is being loaded here. So this is the environment. If you want to get it a full screen, in the top menu bar you can observe here the enter full screen mode. Click on this one. So it will be open in the full screen, and here you can open. See, this is a menu, and here you will be having a different options, and there you can observe the terminal. So you can click on the terminal so that the terminal will be open, and here just so here you can use the commands, different commands. Okay, here you can use the different commands, and this is a different formats. Okay, the different menus of a terminal. So you can use these different menus of the terminal, and you can execute this one. And if you want to get back here, so simply click on see, move the mouse cursor to the top of the screen, so you'll get the menu. So simply click on this exit full screen mode. So once again, you'll be getting here. And if you want to log out, simply you can observe here the play button. So click on the drop down menu and here shutdown guest. Okay, so click on the shutdown guest so that the Kali Linux will be exited. See, so are you sure you want to power off the virtual machine and exit? Yes. So you can observe the Kali Linux has been closed. Also the VMware also has been closed. Right. So this is a very simple process to install the Kali Linux in our virtual machine. So if you want to execute a Kali Linux commands, simply you can use this virtual machine, I mean VMware Workstation, and you can install this Kali Linux and you can make use of this VMware Workstation to execute the commands of Kali Linux. Right. So hope you understood this one. If you are having any doubts regarding this one, feel free to post your doubts in the comment section. Definitely I will try to clarify all your doubts. And if you really enjoyed my session, like my session, share my session with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching. Thank you very much.